Grabeng bundok naman yun, napakalaki. Buti na lang may nakita akong cave dito. Grabeng cave naman to, napakalaki. Ano kung gagawin ko dito? Wala rin katao-tao. Ayan. Oh, ano yun? Geode ba yun? Wait, geode nga. Ano kayo meron dyan sa loob? Puntahan nga. Grabeng geode naman to, napakalaki. Hi. Ano kaya meron dito sa loob? Uy, bakit may portal dito? Sino kaya nagtayo dito nito? Sino kaya? Mapasok nga. Oh, wait. Saan ako napunta? What? Anong portal na pasukan ko? Ba't ganun? Napunta ako dito may harang to. Bakit may harang to? Nasa room ba ako? Hala, hindi ko alam kung nasan ako. Diretso lang to. Madiretso nga. Hay, kung saan na naman ako napupunta. Uy, may lectern. Anong meron dito sa lectern? Mabasa nga, baka may something dito. 9 in unity. Colors were bright. Red, white, purple, cyan, blue, light blue, green, black, and brown in light. Together they stood in peace and truth. By chance or fate, they found the scroll, whose words once read consumed them whole into a realm of dark design, where none escape without a sign. A fighter fierce, a builder bold, a miner from the caver's cold, a redstoner with sparks that fly, a farmer's touch beneath the sky, a brewer lost in potions lore, an adventurer chasing something more, and a mayor, keeper of all things fair. 4 great beasts must face their end, before the gate of home shall bend. Yet even they stand as one, a shadow hides beneath the sun. 2 shall fall to selfish pride, a bond betrayed, the path denied. And when the knife of trust is thrown, the curse begins again alone. Bleed once, you enter. Bleed twice, you bleed. Only when none betray, shall the 8 be freed. Bakit ganito yung mga nilalaman nito? Wait lang. Hindi ko maintindihan. Anong meron?